Welcome to the practice tutorial review for Chapter 7, Inference. As a reminder, inference is an educated guess or conclusion based upon the clues that are given. So here we have inference, and we have to draw our own conclusion based on just what is given. So here we have an illustration of kids that are apparently on the beach, and they have made a sandcastle, or really a TV out of sand, and are all visually watching it on the beach. So, what is the logical inference we can draw from this? That A, the house was built on stilts so the children could play underneath. B, the children are enjoying themselves. Or C, the children probably seldom watch real television. And the correct answer is here. Obviously, we know it's not A. Really, the house was built on stilts so the children could play underneath it. Well, they're not playing underneath the house here or under the stilts, so can't be A. So it's between B and C. And most logical, I mean, if they were watching real television, I don't think they would want to be outside. So correct answer is going to be B. Children are enjoying themselves because they're all smiling and laughing and intently watching. So that is our correct answer. Next, number 2. So again, we get the same picture. And what's another inference we can get from this illustration? A, the cartoonist wishes to emphasize how television keeps children from more active play. B, the cartoonist means to emphasize the children's creativity in building a realistic sand sculpture. Or C, the cartoonist wishes to emphasize that the outdoor play provides good exercise for children. Well, most likely what the cartoonist is trying to indicate is not going to be C, that outdoor play provides good exercise for children, because nowhere here does it indicate that they're doing some kind of exercise outside. So it is between A and B. And so again, on here, the fact that they made this television and are all intently watching it on the beach most likely indicates that our most logical inference, what the cartoonist is trying to say, is going to be A. The cartoonist wishes to emphasize how television keeps children from more active play. Next one. Does the chili have any meat in it? The woman asked. No, answered the waiter. I'll have chili then. The waiter was disappointed, since chili was one of the restaurant's least expensive items. The lobster special was delicious, he suggested, and healthy. The woman shook her head and responded, not for the lobster. So, what is our logical inference here? A, the woman is vegetarian. B, the woman was brought up as a vegetarian. Or C, the woman is allergic to seafood. Well, the fact that she says and asks the question, does the chili have any meat in it? And when the waiter responds with no, then she says, I'll have the chili, tells me that she does not want any meat. Now, so I know it can't be C then, because nowhere does it indicate about seafood allergies. So, is the woman a vegetarian, or was she brought up as a vegetarian? Well, nowhere does it indicate to us how she was raised. So we don't know if so again, we're just going off what we know at this exact moment. And so the most logical inference is going to be A, that the woman is vegetarian. That is why she did not want meat. Last one. And again, you're just using the clues that are given to come up with the logical inference. By process of elimination, if you eliminate one at least, then you can narrow it down to 2. So, on here. Again, this is the same paragraph from before about the woman who is a vegetarian. So the next logical inference is the woman was alone, the woman is on a tight budget, or the waiter was hoping to get a larger tip for a more expensive meal. Well, we don't know if the woman is alone or not. We're merely just looking at a conversation between the waiter and the woman. So it can't be A. And again, she never asked about price. She was only asking about the meat. So it can't be B. So our most logical inference is going to be C. And we have that because, again, when he said that he was disappointed that the chili was the least expensive item. So that right there tells us, okay, he was looking for something a little bit more expensive, since tips go hand in hand with the price of the bill. So it's going to be C. So that brings us to the end of our inference practice tutorial. Again, as a reminder, you can look in your textbook for more exercises, as well as your assignments on Canvas. That will allow you to get more practice as you prepare for the exam later this week. So thank you very much, and keep an eye out for Chapter 8, Purpose and Tone.